Have you ever started a YouTube channel and then thought, crap, I want to change the name of my YouTube channel? I didn't realize that Test Doggy Channel 1 was the name of my channel. I need to change the name. Stat! Well, today I'm going to teach you a very, very easy method to change the name of your channel. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica Stansberry and I am so glad that you're here. If you are an entrepreneur who's ready to grow a bigger, better, more visible business, hit subscribe because that is the kind of stuff I'm bringing you each week and it's awesome. I'm going to promise you a short, simple, quick video today because what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your YouTube channel. So let's just jump into it. First, what you need to do is go to your channel and then click the big blue Customize Channel button from within your profile. Once you do that, it'll kind of pull up where you can go in and customize all the little pieces of your channel. And the easiest way I found to rename your channel is to just click from here. Now, this is not the only way. You can absolutely go in through Google Plus and change it that way, going directly to Google Plus. But since it's wanting to change the YouTube channel name, I have found that this is a really good way to do it. So just hover over your profile picture and click the little pencil, and it'll tell you that your channel icon is either linked to a brand account or a Google Plus account. Either one, depending on whether you have it to a personal account or a business account. But it doesn't matter. Either way, just click edit. And then I don't actually want to change my profile picture, so I'm going to X out of that. What I do want to do, though, is change my name. So I'm going to click here on this little pencil. I'm going to scroll down, and I can change the name right here. And then once I hit OK, it will change here, and it will also process and start to change over here on YouTube. It does take it a little while, I have noticed, but that's also where you'll change your profile picture if you ever want to do that. Yep, it's literally that easy. I know. Trust me, I know. It's so easy. Now, don't go changing your channel name every 2 seconds because that's weird. But it's definitely there if you need it. And I'd love to know the names of your channels. So hit me up in the comments below and let me know the name of your channel and what kind of content you put out. I know that we're all searching for other YouTubers to follow and other awesome people on this platform. So this is your chance to go share what you do, who you are, and a link to your channel. So go hit that up in the comments and I am going to come down there and hang out too. And until next time, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any other awesomeness. Bye, y'all.